Hey Carson, this is a great question. Essentially, what we're going to try to figure out here is how to get this inequality to look something similar to our slope-intercept equation. And if you remember, that equation is y equals to m, which is our slope, mx plus b, which is our intercept here. So the only thing that really changes when you're dealing with inequalities here is this equal signs becomes an inequality, and you treat that inequality depending on whether or not you're dividing by negative numbers or not. And in this case, we're not going to be dividing by negative numbers, so that inequality should stay the direction that it is right now. So it's kind of walking through the equation we have here. We want to get all the terms on one side. What I mean by that is the x and the 9, we want to get that all on one side, and then get y by itself on the other side of that inequality. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this equation that we start off with and add x to both sides. So once you do that, you add x to both sides, you should get this equation right here. And the next thing, remember, which we're aiming for, y equals mx plus b. So as we can tell, 9 is multiplied by y here. So we're going to want to go ahead and divide everything here, both sides of this inequality, by 9. And once we do that, we carry it through. This should equal 1, kind of cancel out. And this will also equal 1, and then we'll just have a 1 over 9 term here in front of x, and that will be our slope. So here is the final equation. And here are kind of the steps that I told you about. So 1, you have your equation that you're starting off with. You're going to get x to the other side. Then we're going to divide by 9 so we can get y by itself here. And then finally, you get your equation here, slope-intercept form with an inequality. I hope this helps.